2024 Lexus GX versus 2024 Chevy Tahoe. Fight! The GX is one of Lexus's oldest nameplates and is admired by off-roading enthusiasts, so Lexus is smart for continuing to operate with a host of terrain-tackling hardware. Expect to see the GX 550 in Lexus showrooms in early this year. Chevy continues to offer the Tahoe without any significant changes for the year of 2024. There's a lot to love about the full-size Chevrolet Tahoe. It's a big SUV, seating up to 8. Like its longer Suburban sibling, the Tahoe comes with 3 powertrain offerings, all of which pair to either rear or 4-wheel drive. The only available GX currently is the GX 550, and that comes with a 3.4-liter V6 outputting 349 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. It is coupled with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and the MPG rating is 15 city and 19 highway. And of course, it comes with standard 4-wheel drive. This MSRP is for the Over Trail Plus, and it is $77,250. The Tahoe comes with many engine options, but since we are going to compare the Tahoe with the GX 550, we will be looking at the Z71 Package. And this package comes with a 5.3-liter V8 outputting 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque. It comes with a 10-speed automatic transmission and an MPG rating of 15 city and 20 highway. It comes with standard 4-wheel drive, and the MSRP is $68,292. Pros for the GX includes excellent balance of capability and luxury, highly configurable seating and cargo space, as well as better ground clearance than the Tahoe. For its cons, it has unavailable V8 or diesel options, it is very torquey, stiffer ride than the Tahoe, and has hard third-row materials. On the other hand, the Tahoe comes with roomy interior, smooth ride, easy-to-use touchscreen, and robust diesel option. For its cons, it has uncomfortable front and second row seats, unintuitive interior control layout, cheaper interior materials, and less towing capacity than the GX. In summary, the Lexus GX, the brand's midsize off-road SUV, has been overdue for a redesign, and it's finally happened for the 2024 model year. Riding on an all-new platform with an updated powertrain and a load of more modern features, the new GX 550's rugged appearance is about the only thing that ties it to its outdated forebear. All Tahoes include 3 rows of seats and meaningful options such as meaty all-terrain tires and adjustable air suspension sweeten this big Chevy's mobility. The Tahoe's combination of practicality and capability has made it very desirable. Although the Tahoe is bigger, it is cheaper and also has off-road capabilities.